Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Xdm17bt and confirming a minimum charge. This prevents mid-process shutdowns. Then, you enable Bluetooth on your phone or laptop and make it discoverable, because pairing requires mutual visibility. Once done, keep the Xdm17bt within 3 meters and avoid metal obstructions. This ensures a stable radio link. You press and hold the device's power/pair button until the LED flashes. This signals it is in pairing mode and ready for the next connection step. You now open the Bluetooth settings and select Xdm17bt from the available devices list. The host will initiate a connection. If the system asks for a PIN, try 0000 or 1234, because many devices use simple defaults. Enter it and accept any permission prompts. Once paired, check the host's audio/output settings and select Xdm17bt as the default device, because that routes sound or data correctly. Finally, wait for the connected status and listen for a confirmation tone from the device. You finish by testing playback and button controls to verify full functionality. Play a short clip and adjust volume to confirm. If the connection fails, first restart both the host and the Xdm17bt, because this clears transient Bluetooth errors. Make sure no other paired device is actively connected, since that can block new links. If problems persist, perform a factory reset on the Xdm17bt and repair. This clears corrupt settings, but remember to reauthorize any trusted hosts afterward.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.